Let's move right on and bring on board an important corporate voice. We have Kiran Mazumdar joining us from Biocon to help us understand what the most latest update that we have on their USFDA inspection. Ms. Shaw, thank you so much for taking time out and chatting with us, and welcome to Markets at Lunch on ET Now. Can you talk about the Malaysia USFDA 12 inspection, and also can you describe the nature of this particular observation that you've received?
These are, we always report on every single regulatory inspection that we have from USFDA or EMA or other major regulators. And this is our standard protocol of reporting these inspection results. And this was a pre-qualification audit in Malaysia, where we have three facilities: the drug substance, drug product and devices facility. And we received 12 observations across these three facilities. But most of these observations are really procedural in nature, and some of them, of course, are in the realm of continuous improvement. So no data integrity issues, and we believe that these are something that we will resolve very expeditiously. And actually, we have been looking at these procedural deviations, which we seem to keep having off and on, which are really about, sort of human errors, which are quite small. But nevertheless, we have been saying that the only way to eliminate these kind of observations is to really replace a paper-based system that we currently have with a paperless, software-based, integrated quality management system that will put at rest all these, deviations that take place when you have a paper-based system.
Okay, fair enough. But currently, if we look at the Malaysia unit, nothing significant really comes from it. It's a relatively new unit as well. Can you tell us whether or not the facility has enough time to resolve these 12 observations?
We believe we will resolve it very fast. And by the way, we are supplying, we have a EU CGMP for the units, and we are supplying the European markets with Glargine. So I think I just wanted to give you that optics.
Overall, what is happening to the global biotech stocks? They have been underperforming for quite some time now. Do you think the ramp up in key drugs is lower, or is it because it's slower than expected?
I don't think so. I think basically the biotech stock will continue to hold promise. And I believe that biosimilars definitely will have a big opportunity to boost earnings, and definitely we are very confident that our business is in an uptick thanks to biosimilars. So I really don't believe that the statement you're making is across the board. Yes, a large number of, there's been a sort of mushrooming of biotech stocks, and what you're really referring to are these smaller stocks which have not done that well.
Right.
But and some of the larger biotech companies have been struggling to improve their pipelines. But I think if you look at the kind of prices being paid for biotech stocks by big pharma, it tells you what the potential of biotech is.
Okay, Ms. Shaw, great chatting with you, and great getting some insights on the nature of these observations and what exactly has the USFDA said about the Malaysia facility. Thank you so much for joining us and giving us a clarity on that front.